Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to crochet heart cord. For this pattern, I am using a 3mm crochet hook and a 3-ply cotton yarn. So for this pattern, we need multiple of 8 plus 1 chain. So wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a slip knot with the help of crochet hook. Now you can make your base chain according to the multiple of 8, how many number of hearts you want. For this cord, I'm going to make 3 hearts. That's why I'm going to make multiple of 8, 24 chains plus 1 chain. So complete your 25 base chain. After completing your base chain, to start your first row, make chain 1, go into the second chain from the hook and pull the yarn. Now pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet stitch. After making a single crochet stitch, wrap the yarn twice and skip 1, 2, 3 and go into the fourth chain and pull the yarn. Then pull through first 2 loops, then pull through second 2 loops and then pull through third 2 loops to make a triple crochet stitch. Again wrap the yarn twice, go into the same chain and pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops and then pull through third 2 loops. After making 2 triple crochet stitches, make chain 2, go into the same chain again and make a slip stitch. Now again make chain 2, wrap the yarn twice, go into the same chain and make triple crochet 1. Again wrap the yarn twice, go into the same chain and make triple crochet 2. After making 2 triple crochet stitches, again skip 1, 2, 3 chains and go into the fourth chain and pull the yarn, pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet stitch. So you can see heart shape, the upper part. Now this is the first. Now wrap the yarn twice, skip 3 chains, go into the fourth one and make a triple crochet stitch. Again wrap the yarn twice, go into the same chain, pull the yarn and make triple crochet 2. Now make chain 2, go into the same chain and make a slip stitch. Again make chain 2 and make triple crochet 1 and triple crochet 2 into the same chain. Now skip 1, 2, 3, go into the fourth one and make a single crochet stitch. This is our second heart shape. Now again wrap the yarn twice and skip first 3 chains, go into the fourth one and repeat the same pattern of making 2 triple crochet stitches, then make chain 2, go into the same chain and make a single crochet stitch, again make chain 2 and make 2 triple crochet stitches, into the same, then skip the next 3 chains, add into the last one, make a single crochet stitch. Now we are going to make the rest part. After completing the first side, we are going to make the other side. So go into the same chain and make a slip stitch, wrap the yarn once and skip 3 chains and go into the fourth chain, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Go into the same chain again and make double crochet 2, go into the same chain again and make double crochet 3. After making 3 double crochet stitches, make chain 1 and wrap the yarn twice, go into the same chain, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops, pull through second 2 loops and then pull through third 2 loops to make a triple crochet stitch. Then make chain 1 and wrap the yarn once, go into the same chain, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch, double crochet 2 and double crochet 3 into the same chain. So this is the pattern: 3 double crochet, chain 1, 1 triple crochet, chain 1 and 3 double crochet. After completing this, skip 3 chains and into this fourth chain where we have done our single crochet, make a slip stitch to finish your first heart. Now repeat the same pattern again, wrap the yarn, skip 3 chains into the fourth chain, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, chain 1, triple crochet 1, again chain 1 and 3 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and double crochet 3. Now again skip 3 chains and make a slip stitch into the next one. Repeat the same pattern, skip 3 chains, go into the fourth one and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, chain 1, wrap the yarn twice and make triple crochet 1, chain 1, and make 3 double crochet stitches. After making 3 double crochet stitches, skip 3 chains, go into this last chain and make a slip stitch and pull the extra yarn. Now cut the extra yarn. Now weave this extra yarn with the help of needle. So take the yarn to the back side, and after taking the yarn to the back side, simply weave this yarn to some back side stitches, and after weaving this yarn you can cut this yarn and I have weaved this starting yarn tail by repeating the same pattern. So you can make a crochet cord with this simple and easy pattern. I hope you guys like this pattern. So if you guys like this pattern, you can make a crochet heart cord for bags and other projects. So I hope you guys like this pattern. If you like this pattern, give it a try. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.